The ketogenic diet, or keto for short, has been gaining popularity in recent years. But what is it exactly? The keto diet is a high-fat, moderate protein, and low-carbohydrate diet that forces the body into a state of ketosis. This means that instead of using carbohydrates for energy, the body starts burning fat for fuel, which can lead to weight loss. To know if you're in a state of ketosis, you can measure your ketone levels with a blood or breath test. The ketogenic diet consists of foods that are high in fat, such as avocados, nuts, and olive oil, and low in carbohydrates, such as bread, pasta, and rice. Some people also include moderate amounts of protein, such as chicken, fish, and eggs, in their diet. It's important to stay hydrated on the keto diet, as your body will be losing water due to the low amount of carbohydrates. Exercise is also important on the keto diet, as it can help you maintain muscle mass and burn more fat. While the keto diet has been shown to be effective for weight loss and other health benefits, it's important to talk to your doctor before starting any new diet. If you want to get a personalized ketogenic diet, click on the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.